This is Emory Grammar.
Regular and irregular verbs.
All English verbs are either regular or irregular. So let me tell you about regular and irregular verbs. The British Isles and Great Britain have a really interesting long history with language. So it all started with the Celtic languages. There were 5, and they were all across the country. And then the Anglo-Saxons came in, kind of killed a lot of people, and brought their language with them, and people started speaking that. And then the Romans came and conquered, killed a bunch of people, and everybody started speaking Latin. And then the Vikings came over and brought their languages down, and everybody started speaking that. And then William the Conqueror showed up and came and, once again, killed a lot of people. And then everybody started speaking French. And these languages kind of combined and mixed and joined together and created this messy thing that looks a little bit like English. So by the end of the 11th century, language became a mess. People couldn't understand each other. They couldn't understand what was going on and what other people were saying. And so somebody looked at this, let's call him Mr. Language, and he looked at this mess and he said, you know what, I've had enough. That's enough. None of this makes sense. We don't know what happened today and what happened yesterday. Okay, so we're gonna make regular verbs. We're gonna make them the same. So work, worked. Got it, everybody? ED means it happened yesterday. Cool? We can't miss that. Work, worked. Play, played. And everyone was like, okay, done. Problem solved. And then the people came and they said, well, Mr. Language, well done. It's a great system for new verbs. We really like it. It's great. But we have all these old verbs and we really love them. Please, can we keep them, please? Just some of them. Mr. Language looked at the old verbs and said, all right, you can keep some of them. And that's how we got irregular verbs, like sing, sang, sung, or eat, ate, eaten. They don't follow the ED pattern because they're old. If we look at verbs and which ones are regular verbs and which ones are irregular verbs, well, then we know a lot about who we are as humans. Irregular verbs are older. We have used them for a long time. And they are still with us. So who are we as humans? So historically, we as humans are drank, drunk, swim, swam, swum, eat, ate, eaten. But historically, we are not study, play, work. Something to think about.
This is Emory Grammar.
Regular and irregular verbs.